Welcome to video number 209 of Learn and Speak Tamil Like a Native. Many of you are still having doubts about Saapidala, Saapida Maatten. So that Maatten is what we are going to see today. You have already watched negative phrases in 2 videos before. You can go through them casually, and I don't wish to overdose you with all the grammars in one lesson. Hence, I'm making them into smaller videos. You can see the description to check both the earlier lessons. And for those of you who are new to this channel, just dive into the 200 plus videos that cover a lot of interesting grammar, conversations, jokes, songs. So just click the link here down, or you can find them in the description. This Maatten could be used for future, as in I won't eat tomorrow, and to mean a habitual tense in negation, like I don't eat burgers, which means you usually not in the habit of eating burgers, either you don't like it or for any other health reasons. And also you use this for refusal, like go to work, and you say no, I won't go to the work. Let us take the verb to sleep, தூங்க, and the verb Maatten will get conjugated in the way which is typical to each of the personal pronoun. So you know that ending. So na தூங்க மாட்டேன், நீ தூங்க மாட்ட, அவன் தூங்க மாட்டான், அவ தூங்க மாட்டா, அது தூங்காது. So this is an exception. நாங்க தூங்க மாட்டோம், நீங்க தூங்க மாட்டீங்க, அவங்க தூங்க மாட்டாங்க. So having a look at lessons 172 to 175, which covers all these basics and conjugation, will make your learning really easier. He wouldn't tell lies, or he doesn't tell lies. So this is habitual, which means he is not a guy who has the habit of telling lies. அவன் பொய் சொல்ல மாட்டான், அவன் பொய் சொல்ல மாட்டான், அவன் பொய் சொல்ல மாட்டான். In spite of having fever, I'm going to office tomorrow, but I won't work. So this is future. I just accompany my father in his business, but I don't work. This is habitual, which means you just go and sit there playing games, but you never help him. In both the cases, நான் வேலை செய்ய மாட்டேன், நான் வேலை செய்ய மாட்டேன், நான் வேலை செய்ய மாட்டேன். Are you eating strawberries? No, I'm not eating strawberries. நான் strawberry சாப்பிடல. So this is what we learned in the lesson 207. சாப்பிடல. You can go and have a look by clicking the link on top right to understand the difference between சாப்பிடல and சாப்பிட மாட்டேன். Now about Maatten. Would you like to have strawberries? Strawberry சாப்பிடுறியா? I don't eat fruits. So this is habitual. நான் பழம் சாப்பிட மாட்டேன், நான் பழம் சாப்பிட மாட்டேன், நான் பழம் சாப்பிட மாட்டேன். I'm going to party tomorrow, but I wouldn't eat there. This is future negative sentence. நாளைக்கு பார்ட்டிக்கு போகிறேன், ஆனால் அங்கே சாப்பிட மாட்டேன். Go eat them. சாப்பிட மாட்டேன், I won't eat. So this is refusing. சாப்பிட மாட்டேன், சாப்பிட மாட்டேன். Sometimes we are lazy to tell the whole phrase or we just want to give effect in a single word. Just imagine someone ordering you go, eat, come, sleep, study, and you simply can say Maatten, which means no or I won't. If you say Maatten, 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 it means no, 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 I won't. So that is all about Maatten. Hope you learned in the simplest possible way. And unless you are going to like and comment, I will not even be knowing if you're really following the videos. So please give me your feedback. And Learner's Corner. Many of you old and new learners often ask me, what order should I follow in learning? It is quite easy. As far as grammar, try to keep up the order, and other things you just learn or go with your instinct. Don't stress, just learn it like a puzzle, a game. That is how I learn. The more you stress, the less you learn. So just enjoy learning. Please also check the Instagram. I'm making some baby steps and learning Instagram and trying to upload regularly, but you can learn a lot from there still. So please follow Learn Speak Tamil. That is the name of the Instagram channel. So that is all, dear Tamil learners. All the best and vanakkam. See you soon in another video.